In this video, we will take a look at the ClickBank University. I will give you an in-depth review of the ClickBank University. I will show you my results with ClickBank and show you what awaits you inside the ClickBank University. Like you already see here, what is the ClickBank University 2.0? Justin and Melania, the head of product from ClickBank, are showing you step by step how to be a successful vendor or affiliate on ClickBank. So vendor if you want to sell your own products, affiliate if you want to sell other products. Basically that's what I'm doing. So you have a 8-week affiliate and a 12-week vendor class. You have a live chat from the ClickBank team. They support you. You have live events from ClickBank which you can buy for a fraction of a price. You have bonuses inside of here. You have all the tools that the top affiliates are using, and you have step-by-step instructions to earn a job replacing income with the ClickBank University 2.0. We will take a look at the university. Let's start. So here we are inside my ClickBank account. This is a new account of myself, and I basically wanted to show you what's possible if you do it the right way. I'm using the strategies that I learned from the ClickBank University 2.0, and like you already see here, on the 17th of December I was able to generate $682.55. Then here I have $4, here I have $25. On 5th of December I have $105. It's not that much, but for a new account and for me it's amazing just by doing it with these strategies. I'm doing affiliate marketing for 5 years now. I'm earning more than 5 figures online. This is a new account which I created to use these strategies on. And yeah, like you already see here, they are working like a charm. And right now I'm working on scaling that up. Like I already said, I didn't even spend money on it. It's free traffic. You can get the ClickBank University 2.0 via the link under my video, bonusbomber.com/CBU, like you already see here. And you will also get my bonus courses where I basically show you how I was able to generate a 5-figure online income by using different online marketing and affiliate marketing strategies. So you will not only get the ClickBank University by buying it via this link, you will also get my video course, the Traffic Booster, where I show you my main strategy. I show you how to run Facebook and Google ads for affiliate products, normally worth $399. You will also get my LinkedIn Booster strategy. This is a strategy I'm using to get people out of LinkedIn, get them on my affiliate offer, and sell them this product. You can automate all this work you'd have to do with this strategy. It's worth $799 because it's one of my main sources of income. My Amazon Kindle strategy, where I show you how you can list products on Amazon Kindle, sell those ebooks, earn money with those ebooks, and also sell affiliate products via links you place inside these ebooks. So you have a revenue generating machine that works completely passive if those ebooks are listed one time. My Instagram traffic strategy, my YouTube affiliate hack, where I show you how I use the second biggest search engine for affiliate marketing, my chatbot mastery, where I show you how I use Facebook Messenger chatbots to sell affiliate products automatically without me doing the manual work, my Facebook group strategy, my Google ranking secrets, my ClickBank secrets, my Fiverr arbitrage strategy, which is one of my favorite strategies nowadays. I was able to create one of the biggest Fiverr accounts out there by using this Fiverr arbitrage strategy. Basically, I sold services on Fiverr which I didn't even do myself. I outsourced this work and kept the arbitrage amount normally worth $399. I'm giving it to you for free in my bonus bomber package if you get the ClickBank University 2.0 via the link under the video. My automation mastery, where I show you how you can automate most of your online marketing and affiliate marketing work. Just get the ClickBank University via the link under the video, bonusbomber.com/CBU, and don't forget to write me an email to bonus@bonusbomber.com so that I know where I can send you my bonuses. Those are not just some fake bonuses like everybody else offers. Those are the exact strategies I'm using to generate the 5-figure online income every month, and you can do the same as me if you do the strategies as I describe in my video courses. If you have any questions, you can contact me via my Facebook page, you can contact me via my email address. I'm happy to help you because I was in the same position as you a few years ago. Like you already see here we are inside the ClickBank University. Here we are on the welcome screen, what you need to know to get started. This is Milana, she's the head of product from ClickBank and she explains you everything. So ClickBank University, basically the ClickBank team, Justin, Milana and so on, they show you how you can make money as a vendor, as an affiliate, how you can use the right tools, how you can use the most successful affiliate marketing strategies, basically that's what I'm doing, to generate a full-time income online as an affiliate without having your own product, how you can build your list, and basically just copy the strategies the most successful ClickBank affiliates are using right now. So you also have live Q&As here where Justin is answering your questions. So basically you have live webinars where you can send them your question and they will answer it in the live Q&A. You also have a live chat where you see here, you have the chat hours here. You have an own forum for the ClickBank University members and so on. Basically, I show you what I'm using here. You can do a lot with the ClickBank University. Basically, you have here, the next module is Getting Started, where Justin is explaining you the first steps. Like you already see here, the live Q&A, how you can gain perspective and motivation from the big dogs like Gary Vaynerchuk and so on. And who will you be, vendor or affiliate? You'd have to decide. I have decided I'm definitely an affiliate. So also if you're starting, I would recommend you to start as an affiliate. The strategies inside the ClickBank University for affiliates are really, really good. So if you have this course, you don't need any of those other online marketing courses. You have the strategies of the biggest ClickBank affiliates inside of here. So basically, if you decide to be a vendor, you have the vendor tab here, week 1, week 2, week 3, and so on. But what we're looking at is the affiliate stuff of the ClickBank University. And here we can take a look at the first video. It's called Week 1 Affiliate Marketing on ClickBank. I can't show you everything here, but what I can show you is the first video where everything further is explained. Let's go.
Hey, and welcome to the affiliate section of ClickBank University. My name is Adam Horowitz, and I'm really excited you're here. I'm about to walk you guys through exactly how to find success on ClickBank with being an affiliate. Now, this is the affiliate section, obviously. We also have a vendor section, and that section is taught by Justin, my business partner. And Justin will actually walk you through exactly how to set up a product on ClickBank, how to get it out there, how to market it, and how to make sales with your product, and so on. So this is affiliate section, which is different to the vendor section. So if you want to create your own product and put it onto ClickBank, then you should move over to the vendor section. But if you want to be an affiliate and learn how to sell other people's products on ClickBank, you are in the right spot. Now, what is the whole idea around affiliate marketing? Well, the concept of affiliate marketing is essentially you promoting someone else's product, someone who's already created a product on ClickBank, and you promoting it, sending traffic there, and getting a commission every time you make a sale. So it's a much simpler way for you to get started with earning an income online with ClickBank, whereas if you want to create your own product, that's a little bit more time consuming up front, whereas in affiliate marketing, you can jump right into it and get going right away. So that's what this whole section is about. Welcome again to the affiliate marketing section. I can't wait to dive into everything with you. And in the next video, we're going to be talking about the affiliate profit plan and what you're going to be getting over the next 8 weeks in this section. I'll talk to you.
Yeah, Adam explained that perfectly. So you will learn everything regarding to affiliate marketing. You will learn all the secrets that the big ClickBank affiliates are using on a daily basis. And they also show these strategies that I was using the last years to generate a 5-figure income just with these affiliate marketing strategies. So the next video is the affiliate profit plan, understanding the weeks ahead. Basically, you have different strategies from week to week. You can also unlock all the weeks at once if you want that, but if you're starting out, I would recommend you to watch the videos week by week. So you have week 1 to week 8 and have an 8-week affiliate marketing coaching or instruction. Setting up for success, getting yourself motivated and understanding the affiliate opportunity. What is possible with affiliate marketing? The biggest affiliates, they're making more than $1 million every month on ClickBank. So if you know how to do affiliate marketing, there are almost no limits. Goal setting, figuring out your big goal and breaking it into smaller and accomplishable goals, and so on. In the week 2, it's all about understanding affiliate marketing. Week 3 is finding your passion. Then you have the ultimate affiliate funnel, basically where Adam shows you how you can generate or copy the biggest ClickBank affiliates, what exactly they are doing, how they're setting up their funnels, how you can build a list and sell affiliate products with it. Week 5, free, always over deliver. Week 6, writing the perfect swipe. The email blueprint comes in week 7. And then the last week, week 8, scaling and expanding. Then you also have a bonus module here running affiliate promotions and the congratulations module. You also have the traffic section here, like you see here. So basically this is all about traffic, how you can get traffic to affiliate products. I will show you my paid traffic methods and my free traffic methods in my Bonus Bomber bonus package. And you also get the instructions from Adam and Justin here, where they show you in this mini course how the big ClickBank affiliates are setting up their traffic, how they are generating their traffic. And you also have a toolkit here where they show you what tools you can use. So basically that's about it. That's the ClickBank University. Like I already said, it doesn't matter if you want to be a vendor, if you want to be an affiliate, you have everything inside here that you need to be a successful online marketer. You don't need to buy hundreds of courses. You have everything inside here. Especially when you're not earning more than 5 figures every month. Just buy this course, do the exact strategies that the team, that Adam, that Justin and Milana are explaining here, and you will yield results if you do the strategies exactly as they explain here. Like I already showed, in the last month I was able to generate more than $1,000 with a new ClickBank account just by using these strategies taught in the ClickBank University. And I didn't even invest that much time in it. Like I already said, I just used free traffic. I just used my time for it. Sure, I have experience in this market. I'm doing that for 5 years now. But I show you exactly what I did in my bonus courses, which I will also give you if you get the ClickBank University via the link under the video. bonusbomber.com/CBU, get the ClickBank University, and you will also get my traffic booster where I show you how you can run paid ads, Google and Facebook, to affiliate products and sell them profitably. Normally worth $399, I'm giving it to you for free in my Bonus Bomber package. My LinkedIn booster strategy, which is a free strategy and also a big part of my affiliate income. I show you how you can use LinkedIn to generate traffic to your affiliate products. Completely free in this video course worth $799. I will give it to you for free when you get the ClickBank University 2.0 via the link under the video. My Amazon Kindle strategy, where I show you how you can use Amazon Kindle to do affiliate marketing. My Instagram traffic strategy, so that you can get traffic from Instagram. My YouTube affiliate hack. My chatbot mastery, also a big part of my marketing strategy. My Facebook group strategy. My Google ranking secrets, where I show you how I rank videos and websites on the first page and in the first results of Google, normally worth $197. My ClickBank secrets. My Fiverr arbitrage strategy, where I show you how I sold services on Fiverr which I didn't even do myself and just kept the arbitrage amount. My automation mastery, where I show you how I automated more than 80% of my online work. It's a video course, normally worth $497. You will also get it for free when you get the ClickBank University 2.0 via the link under the video, bonusbomber.com/CBU. Milana, Justin and Adam, they will learn you everything you need to know. Doesn't matter if you're an affiliate that's starting out, doesn't matter if you want to be a vendor and sell your own products. You have everything inside here. You don't need to buy hundreds of courses. Just do these strategies exactly as they describe. You will also get my bonus courses. With these bonus courses alone, you will be able to generate the 5-figure online income because you get the exact strategies that I'm using on a daily basis to create this income. If you have any questions, just write me an email to bonus@bonusbomber.com. Also, if you have bought the ClickBank University via this link, write me an email to bonus@bonusbomber.com so that I know where I can send you the bonuses. I wish you a lot of success and massive commissions.